Assalamualaikum friends, कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now teacher Zanab here again with a sweet and lovely story time. So are you ready for a story? Yes? Let's start. Before story, first raise your hands for dua. A'udhu billahi minash rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Zadani Elma. Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge. Ameen. Okay, now, children, today we are going to learn a story of Zoya goes to the zoo. And before that, again, we will do our circle time. As usual, we are doing a mini circle time. Okay, so how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. Yes, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yes, today is Saturday. And which month is this? This is December. Which month is this? This is the December. This is the last month of the year. Okay, children, can you please tell me that how many seasons do we have? We have two? No, we have four seasons. Yes, how many seasons are there in a year? We have four seasons. There are four seasons: summer, autumn, winter, spring. And which season is this? What is the beginning sound of the season? Winter season. Yes, it's a winter season. Okay, kids, now let's move to our story. The story was about Zoya goes to a zoo. Dear children, have you went to zoo? कभी आप zoo गए हैं? सब गए हैं. तो आपने zoo में क्या क्या देखा? What you have on the zoo? You see animals, yes. And here are these animals. What are these? These are wild animals. Wild animals lives in a zoo, and some pet animals lives in a zoo too, but most of the wild animal lives in a zoo because we cannot keep them in the home. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, wild animal lives in a jungle and in zoo. They can't live at home. Okay, kids, let's read the story. Zoya was really excited. Her mother was taking her to the zoo. Zoya was very excited. Zoya जो थी वो बहुत खुश थी. She was very excited. Why? Because she was going zoo. She was going to zoo. She was going to the zoo. And what is the beginning sound of the zoo? Zzz. What is the beginning sound of the zoo? Zzz. And what is the beginning sound of the Zoya? Zzz. Zoya was really excited. Her mother was taking her to the zoo. She packed her picnic bag carefully and closed the zip. She packed her picnic bag. What is this, children? It's a picnic bag. When you are going to picnic, you used to do these things. You put your biscuits, your chips, your junk food in your bags. Why? Because you are going on picnic and you thought कि हम रास्ते में ये चीज़ें खाएंगे. Same did Zoya. Same goes for Zoya. Zoya ने भी वही किया. What she did, she packed her picnic bag carefully. बहुत एहतियात से उन्होंने अपना पिकनिक बैग जो है वो रेडी किया and she closed the zip. Zoya and her mother sat in the car. Zoya और उनकी मम्मा जो थी वो car में बैठ गई. Yes, she was sit in the car and zoom away to the zoo. They saw a zigzag track and walk on it. Zigzag track. Where is the zigzag track, kids? Over here. Yes. What is this? It's a zigzag track. It's a zigzag track. Zigzag track. they saw a zigzag track and they walked on it. उन्होंने क्या देखा? एक zigzag track देखा और उसके ऊपर उन्होंने चलना शुरू कर दिया. Oh, it's a lovely flower. Do you know which flower is this? पता है आपको कौन सा flower है? No? Okay, I will tell you. Let's listen the story. They reached a fence. It looked like a little forest. Where are the fins, children? These metal wires we call fins. और ये लकड़ी की भी होती हैं. But over here there are few metal wires. They have made it fins. मेटल वायर से ये fins बने हुए. We called it fins, जिसको आप यूजुअली उर्दू में कहते हैं कि वो जंगला सा बना हुआ है, जंगले को क्रॉस नहीं करना, यहाँ से जा नहीं सकते. So English we call it fins. They reached a fins. It looked like a little forest. जब वो fins के पास पहुंचे तो उन्हें ऐसे लगा कि एक छोटा सा जंगल है. Forest means jungle. A little forest on other side. Fins के दूसरी तरफ एक छोटा सा जंगल है. There were many trees. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे दरख्त थे. And pretty zinnia flower. Yes, which flower is this? This is zinnia flower. And there were many trees and pretty zinnia flowers. Yes, there was few zinnia flowers. ये कौन सा flower है? Which flower is this? This is zinnia flowers growing near the fins. Fins के पास कुछ zinnia flowers grow कर रहे थे. Suddenly, फिर क्या हुआ अचानक से? Zoya saw something white and black. Zoya ने एक white and black color का animal देखा. Which animal was that? Oh, it was a zebra. Yes, she saw a zebra. She saw a zebra. She was really excited, but she kept quiet. वो बहुत excited थी पर वो खामोश हो गई. Why? क्यों खामोश हो गई जब वो बहुत excited थी? Because her mother had told her not to disturb animals at the zoo. पता है उनकी मम्मा ने उन्हें कहा कि आपने एनिमल्स को जू में डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. डू नॉट शाउट और डू नॉट टीज देम. उनको तंग भी नहीं करना है और शाउटिंग भी नहीं करनी है. इस तरह एनिमल्स डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं, फिर वो भाग जाएंगे और ये कोई अच्छी बात तो नहीं है ना. इसीलिए Zoya was very excited. She saw a zebra but she was quiet. She was not supposed to disturb the animals because her mother told her do not disturb the animals. That's why she was quiet. Zoya wanted to give the zebra some sweets. Zoya ने क्या किया? zebra को कुछ sweets देने के लिए गई. But zookeeper, where is the zookeeper? Over here. This woman is a zookeeper. Zookeeper कौन होते हैं? जो zoo का ख्याल रखते हैं, जो animals का ख्याल रखते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? What we call them? Zookeeper. What we call them? Zookeeper. Zoya wanted to give the zebra some sweets. Zoya zebra को कुछ sweets देने जा रही थी. इतने में zookeeper ने कहा children that they must not feed the animals as they become old. zookeeper ने कहा कि आप एनिमल्स को फीड नहीं कीजिएगा, आप एनिमल्स को स्वीट्स वगैरह और कोई एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ नहीं खिलाइएगा. अगर आप खिलाएंगे तो एनिमल भी क्या हो जाएंगे? बीमार हो जाएंगे. एनिमल could become ill. वो बीमार हो सकते हैं. इसीलिए आप स्वीट्स और कैंडीज और चिप्स वगैरह एनिमल्स को नहीं दीजिएगा. और ये सब किसने कहा? zookeeper ने. Zookeeper said do not give sweets or junk food to the animals. आपको पता है ना जंक फूड से सेहत खराब हो जाती है. वी गेट इल, तो एनिमल्स भी इल हो जाते हैं, एनिमल्स भी बीमार हो जाते हैं अगर वो जंक फूड खाएं. दे ईट हेल्दी फूड, दे ईट देयर ग्रास, दे ईट देयर मीट. दिस इज हेल्दी फूड फॉर देम and it's healthy for us too, but we are not eating grass, we are eating green vegetables. Okay children? Okay, now He showed the children how they fed the animals. जू कीपर ने क्या किया, बच्चों को दिखाया कि हम एनिमल्स को कैसे फीड करते हैं, कैसे खाना खिलाते हैं. He showed the children how they fed the animals and how they kept the zoo clean for them. और ये जू को कैसे क्लीन करते हैं एनिमल्स के लिए. See, this man is feeding the सेल्स. दिस मैन इज फीडिंग दी सेल्स. ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ये इन एनिमल्स को खाना खिला रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट दिस वुमन जू कीपर इज डूइंग, शी इज क्लीनिंग दी एनिमल्स. ये एनिमल्स की सफाई कर रही हैं. हम भी अपना सफाई करते हैं ना. वी टुक बाथ, वी ब्रश आवर टीथ. लाइक दिस एनिमल कांट टेक बाथ बाय देमसेल्फ. एनिमल्स खुद से बात नहीं ले सकते. दैट्स व्हाई जू कीपर्स गिव देम बाथ. जू कीपर टेक केयर ऑफ देम लाइक अ बेबी. जैसे छोटे बेबी होते हैं जो खुद से नहीं नहा सकते, दे कांट ब्रश देमसेल्फ, तो इसलिए मम्मा पापा हेल्प करते हैं ना. इसी तरह जू कीपर्स एनिमल्स की हेल्प करते हैं नीट एंड क्लीन लाने के लिए और उनके केजेस, उनके रूम्स को क्लीन करने के लिए. और इसी तरह जू कीपर ने बच्चों को दिखाया कि हाउ वी क्लीन द एनिमल्स एंड हाउ वी फीड देम. हम एनिमल्स को कैसे खिलाते हैं एंड हाउ वी मेक देम नीट एंड क्लीन टू मेक देम हेल्दी वेल्दी. Okay, children, that was our story. Now we will read some words related with our story. Now let's start some sight word reading. Let me read it for you. 1. Repeat after me. 1, 2. 1, 2. Eh, in. Eh, in. In. What is the sound of I? Eh. And what is the sound of N? जब हम I और N को एक साथ पढ़ेंगे, it will become in. Eh, in. Eh, in. Very good, children. 1. What is this? Yes, it's a zebra. How we will read it? 1. Zebra. Eh, in the. What's this? It's a zoo. Yes, it's a zoo. Again we will read it. 1 zebra in the zoo. Yes, very good, children. 1 lion in the zoo. Very good. 1. Yes, which animal is this? Elephant. Very good. 1 elephant in the zoo. Now how many monkeys are there? Are there 1 monkey or 2 monkeys? 2 monkeys. Very good. Now how we will read? 2 monkeys in the zoo. 2 monkeys in the zoo. Now what animal is this? I showed you when I was teaching you the topic bird. Which bird is this? These are peacocks. Yes, these are peacocks. And how many peacocks are there? 1, 2. 2 peacocks in the zoo. 2 peacocks in the zoo. And which animal is this? Tiger. Children, can you tell me the beginning sound of tiger? T, 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 t. Tiger. Yes, 2 tigers in the zoo. 2 tigers in the zoo. Now let's read it again. 1 zebra in the zoo. 1 lion in the zoo. 1 elephant in the zoo. 2 monkeys in the zoo. 2 peacocks in the zoo. 2 tigers in the zoo. Very well. Well done, children. Now keep revising and keep doing revision of these words and sight words along with your story. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.